We've been selling off for a few days. Pretty big red day yesterday, and we had a red day before that. Everyone was super bearish coming into today. Remember, we sold off yesterday and we gapped down today. Now, how do we know that market is gonna go? How did the traders know that we are gonna bounce? How were the traders able to make 400, 500% on Tesla, 500% on APP, 500% on QQQ, 300% on Hood? You see, all these traders had an amazing day today, had amazing account growth today. How do we know that we are gonna get a curl, then the market is gonna bounce? The plan was simple. VIX to strategy. Important levels for today. Watch out any capitulation flush and bounce. I have seen it many times. When market is selling off for a few days, there's not a huge catalyst for market to sell off. One of these days market gaps down. Initial 20-30 minutes, sometimes even 1 hour, market will dump and suddenly there will be a reversal. Watch the VIX. If VIX cannot push over 23, watch for the bounce, or then watch for the capitulation, initially flush and bounce after the amateur move, which is the first 10-minute move. This is exactly what happened. It's just the experience system that you need to learn. And that's how the traders were able to capitalize and have a huge day. That's why the traders like ZT had a biggest trading day of their career. Initially, the market was bearish. I told the traders starting bearish, wait, watch the pre-market lows. It swiped right back over the pre-market lows. When something swipes right back over the pre-market lows, you know it's not going to be a short. And that's when I told the traders, QQQs, long versus 600. Two reasons. There was a 600 psychological level, amateur move was bearish, and then we got a bullish push. And that was it. I told the traders long versus 600, SPY also long versus 665. So then came our 10 AM flag. I made VIX inverse. There was a flag on SPY, there was a flag on QQQ. No hindsight. This was a repeatable 10 AM concept. We took some profits on this pop, and when we pulled back, the traders added long again on here on SPY, QQQ. Whatever the name they are curling, they added the longs on them. VIX rejected 23. VIX was breaking under 22. VIX was bear flagging. This was the bear flag on VIX. And SPY was bull flagging. QQQ was bull flagging. And what happens next? You see the flag breakout, flag breakout, flag breakout, and we push higher. Once we break out like this, our targets are always the MTF clouds. So SPY ran from 666, QQQ ran from 600 to 612. This is where you make those insane profits. If I look at QQQs, we ran from the 512 calls, 3450 MTF clouds to the MTF clouds. Learn MTF clouds, learn Ripster 512 clouds. So learn all those things, and then you will be able to take these reversal trades. QQQ 605 calls went from $2 to $9. 300-400% trades were normal. If you do a lot of 100% risk, taking $200-300, you are making $1,500-1,600. You're trading with $1,000, you are making over $3,000-4,000. That was the amazing trades today, guys, on the calls. That's how you could long anything in the market.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.